Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to go through some of my favorite books with mermaids because, as you know, it is Mermay. So I thought I would share some of my favorites, and some of these you guys might already own, and that's kind of the point. Hopefully you already own some of these so you can participate in Mermay. There's tons of Mermay tags, including one hosted by Erica over at Elm Colors. And then there is the Mermay Marvels. So there's a lot going on this month in the adult coloring community. So I thought I would share some of my favorite books. Now I will make a list and link these below in case you want to buy any of these. But as always, the goal is to use what you already have. Okay, I did purchase 3 new books for the month because I couldn't help myself. So I'm not going to do full flip throughs. I'm just going to kind of give you a glimpse. But I grabbed the Cute Mermaids by Jade Summer. And I grabbed this one mainly for Copics. Copics and Ohuhus. So I thought it would be a fun one. Big lines, my style, definitely for markers. Then I grabbed the Enchanted Sea by Molly Harrison. And this is just all grayscale, dark grayscale. I saw this on someone's channel and now I can't remember who. But someone influenced me. It wasn't my fault. Then I got Mermaids by Yana Prosperina. I did see this one on Erica from Elm Colors channel. I love her work. I have all her fairy books. Didn't even know she had a mermaid book, so thanks, Erica. But I'm really excited about that. You can see all the images on the back, of course. And I apologize ahead of time if I clear my throat. I am getting over some sort of bug. Now, these are ones I already own. So, the Fairy and Fantasy Grayscale by Christine Caron has this lovely little mermaid gal. She's kind of riding a seahorse. So I thought that was a really cute one. And I haven't colored that yet. So I think I'll do that. So see, not all of them are mermaid themed. And then in Fairy and Fantasy 3 by Christine Caron. Did I mark these? No, why would I do that? We have this gal right here. So I thought that would be a cute one to try and tackle this month. But see, each book only had one mermaid. Then I have the Mermaids book, Color in Oceans, I guess it's called. This is by Daria Draws, or Daria, I cannot say her last name. But these are supposed to be all mermaids, although some of them are just floating heads. So you've got like her cutesy style, and then her more not cutesy. Oh, that's cute. That would be perfect for Mother's Day. So yeah, I'll probably do a couple out of here. This is on that Create Space paper that is kind of an upgrade. Ooh, I like that one. Upgrade from the usual Create Space. And by usual, I mean the not so great. All right, then I have the Jade Summer Fantasy Collection. Now, this is 4 books in one, but it includes their mermaid one in the front, like front 20-something images. So I'll probably pick something out of here, either for pencil or marker work. I don't know. You can see the lovely mermaid there. All right. Then I have this PDF that I bought. Oh, I can't even remember now. It was a while ago. It's 2020 is when it was published, but it's Fairies and Mermaids and Witches. And it's by Genovia Art. And so there's a mixture in here, like obviously fairies, witches, mermaids. But see, there we go. Here's like an example of a mermaid. So I'll be going through this and kind of trying to pick some mermaids to color. Like I said, the goal is to go through what you have. Then I have Mermaids and Friends coloring book. This is by Mystic Art Mirrors. You can get this off her Etsy as well, or you can order it. Although if you order the printed version, you probably won't get it in time to do much mermaid work, but her books take a lot of water and they're really nice. I'm actually ordering one of her new ones. So you have the Mermaids and Friends or Daughters of the Sea. Now, Mermaids and Friends, I only printed out the cover. And this just reminds me that I own it. And then I go look and through the PDF list and print them out, or print the one I want to color. Daughters of the Sea, also by Mystic Art Mirrors. I had printed the whole thing. So I'll be going through and picking some images to do, but they're all mermaids and they're really cute. So both of those I plan to do some work in. I'm just starting to like find or love Mystic Art Mirrors. I have all her stuff. All right. Mermaids in Paradise. This is by Denise Klett. I love Gnomes in the Neighborhood. Mermaids would be a second when it comes into Denise Klett. Fairies, not so much. But this is all mermaids. And I think I've only colored like one picture in here, but they're all fun. The birds are always hilarious. These are all super quirky too. I love the style. Oh yeah, I did this one. I swear I did this for Mermay last year or the year before. Oh, it was the year before because I remember doing this in my old house. But yeah, I did this one here. I think that's the only page I've colored in here. I flagged this one. I think I flagged this for last year's Mermay. Back when I used to tell you guys, I'm going to color these. Well, obviously I didn't color it. Okay, then I have the Little Mermaid Friends coloring book. This one makes me giggle every single time. So it is a Teresa Goodridge book. It's from the Dover coloring book. So it's, instead of the Creative Haven series, it's this Dover series. But I always giggle at these because they are so, I mean, they remind me so much of a children's book. But I have like her Princesses edition, I think, too. But yeah, I mean, they're super cute. They are double-sided though, and the paper is not as awesome as the Creative Haven. Although I guess Creative Haven has kind of gone downhill, but some of these are really cute. So I'll either do these with pencil, or I might even print them and scan and print and do some marker. All right, another one of my favorites for mermaids is the Sweet and Simple Whimsy Girls by Hannah Lynn. It's mermaids and more to color, so there you go. Lots of mermaids. I've actually colored quite a few. I usually use marker for this one. Like I've done this one before. This one here, I think I did a tutorial on the red hair with Ohuhus. This one I did with Ohuhus when they first came out with the pastel markers, the pastel set, and I created this hair color. I really like that. Shoot, I don't know if I wrote down the colors though. This one I printed on marker paper, I can tell. So that means the original is right there. Oh, look, it's even tagged for Mermay. I did it. So I did that with, I think I did that with Copics. This is on Arteza marker paper, which I have since learned is not so great. Here's a mermaid I started. I've done quite a bit. So this is one of the books where I broke the spine, if you didn't gather that already, and just started pulling these out. I think that's with Ohuhu. If I'm coloring on the Create Space paper, it's normally Ohuhu. I would never put my Copics on Create Space paper, not unless you want to buy a new nib. She's obviously not a mermaid, but like it said, mermaids and other. But there's still more mermaids in here to color. Like that one would be fun to do with some marker. I think that's a mermaid. I can make it a mermaid. That one is. Ooh, look at that hair. So yeah, I still have some more to tackle in here, and gosh, I hope I saved that purple color combo because, oopsie. Let's see if I can get this to close. When I break the spine, I leave them in the book, and then I usually just put a band around them so that they don't fall apart. All right, then I have the Maui Mermaids. I actually just got this one a few months ago, and I haven't tackled it yet, but it is all mermaids and island girls, so there's a few where it's not a mermaid. I mean, obviously, this can't be a mermaid, right? Unless the chicken is underwater. Never know. But yeah, like that's definitely not a mermaid. That one is. So yeah, I'll probably be going through here, finding some mermaids. I love Hannah Lynn hair. I don't color it in my traditional way. In fact, I have a video. I'll try to remember to link below the video to how I do Hannah Lynn hair with pencil, and I'll even try to link to that one with the red hair in the description below for you guys. All right, then I have the Mermaids and Other Sea Creatures by Camilla D'Erico. I haven't colored in this yet, but I definitely want to. It's a super cute book. The pages take water really well. Look at these mermaids. That would be a fun one. Well, that one would be too. Just one big double page spread. You can make them play off each other. So yeah, I want to tackle at least one page. I'm going to be realistic because I have to be in the mood for her style. So I'll tackle one for sure. Well, let's not even say that. I'm going to try. All right, then I have Jasmine Beckett Griffith Mermaids. This one was actually given to me by T from T's World of Coloring. She sent me Happy Mail. It was so sweet of her. Yeah, these are all mermaids, and I really want to color one of these. I haven't colored in this book yet, and it's bumming me out, actually, because part of it is intimidation, because I love Jasmine Beckett Griffith's work, but I don't want to mess up a page because these are not cheap to rebuy. I mean, they're like 20-something bucks now a book, so, but I love her artwork. Ooh, that would be a real fun one to do, wouldn't it? So with that one, those big eyes, just, oh, love it. Oh, that one would be really fun. Yeah, I don't know. I definitely got to try and tackle one. Keyword try. So yeah, loads of books. I'm not going to restack them all over here. It's too much effort. But just to give you guys some ideas of mermaid books or Mermay books you can do this month, including the PDFs. And then you can always get single PDFs. There's tons from artists that I've already shared here on their Etsy stores. Sometimes they have their own store. This is just to give you kind of a jumping off point for ideas if you want to participate in Mermay. And this stack is going to be staying in my art studio to remind me that I need to pull from these for this month. So if you guys want to check out Erica's video, I will try to remember to link that below about her mermaid tag. And until next time, guys, take care. Hope to see you coloring mermaids on Instagram. Bye now.